New Kit Kat king size chocolate frosted donut. Crisp wafers and donut flavored milk chocolate and cream. Naturally and artificially flavored. What's that say? For enlarged for detail. Alright, everybody, let's flip it over and see what's going on in the back. Now, of course, they have the nutritional information. You can pause on it if you like, y'all. And then we have the Hershey Company, the address, the UPC label, and the ingredients, and a scan code. This product was $2.88 at the local Hy-Vee Grocery store. And tonight we're going to be tasting this with a glass of Quick Star 2% whole milk. And well, boy, is it good. So let's tear these open, everybody, and see what's cracking. Okay, everybody, here's what they look like out of the package. They're chocolate. Then they got some kind of filling in there. It looks like this. So let's go ahead and break one of these off. A couple of them, I can smell them all the way from here. I'm probably about 2 feet away from the camera. Actually, from the product. So yeah, it smells very good. Take a smell of that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, let's go in for our first bite, everybody. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. I'll tell you what. That is really good. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, y'all. I really like this. Mmm. Have a drink. So many viewers gave me crap about drinking soda with the saying that it takes away from the flavor, so I opted to have some milk because it tastes a little better. So let's go ahead and have some more. Mmm. That is bootylicious, y'all. Mmm. I already love me some Kit Kats, but I tell you what, these are amazing. Mmm. Mmm. I've seen the endorsement review of these. I haven't watched this video yet, but I'm probably gonna tomorrow. Because he usually has a pretty good take on this kind of stuff. So it's wafers, cream, and chocolate frosting on the top. So let's go ahead for another one, y'all.